Hi dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will know about Clearblue Digital Ovulation Test Kit. As you know that every woman is having menstrual cycle, and in any cycle there are few days when a woman can conceive because of ovulation time. So having intercourse on these days is very important if you are trying to conceive and get pregnant. So by using this kit, it will help you to know about your ovulation time. Advanced Digital Ovulation Test Kit is the first and only test kit that identifies 4 or more fertile days in each cycle. The best thing is that advanced Clearblue ovulation test tracks the two key fertility hormones, which is the clear picture of the two most fertile days. So simply we can say that Clearblue ovulation test kit identifies the two most fertile days, which can help in conceiving or getting pregnant easily. This test kit detects the ovulation time due to the increase of luteinizing hormone and identifies the two most fertile days which are favorable for conception throughout the cycle. Having intercourse during these 2 days will give you the maximum chances to conceive and get pregnant. The best time to check your ovulation time is between 10 am to 1 pm. Now how to use the kit. The Clearblue digital display gives you a smiley face, which means that your luteinizing hormone level is high and you are ovulating. After the smiley face on screen, the next 48 hours are extremely important to have intercourse and to get pregnant. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.